What's up guys, andito na yung mga stickers. Gusto ko lang may pakita kasi baka walang time pagpakita ko last video. Anyways, here's the stickers. No bag. Coat time. Di ko alam kung, I don't know whose signature this is. Kasi hindi ako naririnig ng BTS. Anyways, you are super... Ano yun? You are super Coca-Cola. Coke time! It's Coke time! No cap zone. Be back in 10. Coke. Coke time again. Coke time. Hi, vibe. And it's Coke time. Those are the stickers. Let's move on to my tumbler. Or tumbler with straw. Okay, I just got my tumbler. It was right here. I just took it. Sorry, it took a long time. I was trying to put on the cap, but it won't fit. Anyways, here's my tumbler. Supposed to be Diet Coke, I think, or another version of of the Coke with the black tag. My sister's speaking English again. Well, she was born English probably, or first language was it English, but she can speak our language, like it's Filipino. And here's what the caps look like. There's a C. We didn't have a K, so we just randomly got a K for no reason. My dad got it. Anyways, this is what it looks like. So lame. Anyways, let's see the inside. Ooh, pure blackness. Don't worry, I got flashlight. Look at that. So beautiful. This is what the straw looks like. And of course it has like a little ring looking plastic part there, so that the thing doesn't so that the straw doesn't escape the cap. Like this.